guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy Akinyi and I do vlogs and all sort of things. I just woke up. It's a weekend again. Thank God. We all got to see it and we are healthy. And if you're not, I pray for anyone who's not feeling well. And I hope just everybody is doing fine. Today, I want to clean out outside. This will just be a short vlog to show you how I clean around our house, because if you don't do it, we live in an area where you will get a fine when summer starts and you haven't cleaned anything. And to start it off, we have a drive-through in Nairobi, Kenya. You'll get to see the downtown of Nairobi. Actually, this is a downtown. I don't really know, but it's somewhere called Parklands Drive-through. Enjoy the drive-through as we transition into my backyard landscaping here in America. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Just press the button. It's free and you get to see good content from me. And please don't forget to click the ringer button, because if you get the notification when I premiere my new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, guys, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, even when they premiere. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And God bless you guys. Bye. So today I'm trying to clean up. I want to start cleaning up the backyard. Take off the leaves. And I'm looking for
on the brink of giving up. Something told me I should hang it up. Never thought I'd find a love quite like you. And I pray it never end up losing you. Find a way to mess a good thing up. In my heart I know it's always been you. And I know you're all that I want. Blaming myself, I keep holding us back. Is this the real thing? Not just a feeling? Or is my mind playing tricks on my heart again? Lost in the moment, stuck on a feeling. But is my mind playing tricks on my heart again? Late to the party, and I can change about it. I know I complain about you. Spent the day away from you, running away. There's no faces, show me the way. You take me to places. What I know, you're all that I got. Why do I question if it's made to last? And I know you're all that I want. Blaming myself, I keep holding us back. Is this the real thing? Not just a feeling? Or is my mind playing tricks on my heart again? Lost in the moment, stuck on a feeling. But is my mind playing tricks on my heart again? Playing tricks. Playing tricks. Playing tricks on me. Is my heart playing tricks on me? Playing tricks. Real thing, or just a feeling? Or is my playing tricks on my heart again?
Almost done. Almost done. So that's what we're doing for today. Done with one, then we'll go to the other one tomorrow.